Welcome to the CGS Single Unit Lightbox Quick Installation Guide. In just a few easy steps, we will help you get your REXframe unit built and ready for display. We recommend using a drill, a T-square, and a hex key or an Allen wrench. Let's begin. Frame assembly. First, lay out all 4 panels and begin inserting each corner with the Rex elbows. Next, fasten both top and bottom screws for all 4 corners. Now use the T-square to ensure both corners are square. Then, insert the brace in the bottom right and top left corner. Then lock. Finally, let's attach the heavy-duty support feet. Simply insert the large bolts in the designated areas and fasten. Now let's move on to the fabric print. First, with the silicone beading flush with the fabric, insert each of the 4 corners into the REXframe channel as shown. Here are the recommended orders of fabric insertions for the best results: yellow, red middle sections, and green quarter sections. After these key points have been inserted, continue with all the areas in between. That's it! Plug in your light box, turn on the LEDs, and you're finished. Thank you for watching, and thank you for choosing CGS for your creative graphic needs.